Regards everyone. I have something new. 2 spinning sticks. This one is full pure copper. Alien Bloodstone, green one, and Orchid, the purple one. Every single stone is carefully placed to form a puzzle. Orchid on one end and Alien Bloodstone on another. I did green, purple, green, purple, green, purple, green, purple. Now you can unscrew the shaft and let's say we have magnets. You can use it like this. Or place it to any metal surface and it will stay in this position. This one is zirconium with a balloon inlay on both sides. Also featuring same magnets. Clicking and they both work, or it seems not. It works with one, yes, and this one. So that's it.